How to fix if your account has been locked for violating community guidelines pops up on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Support Snapchat Account, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Snapchat Support at the top. After that, you will find this kind of screen. Click on My Account is Compromised. After that, in here you will need to add your username, your email, your phone number, which is your mobile number. After you've added all your information, at the bottom, how can we help with your Snapchat account? In there, add I have not committed any community violence. Please fix my account, and then press on submit at the bottom. After you submit it, Snapchat will get back to you within 24 hours and fix your problem. This is how to fix your account has been locked for violating community guidelines problem on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.